Emirati Women's Day marks 10 years of progress. The United Arab Emirates celebrates the 10th Emirati Women's Day today, under the theme Hand in Hand, we celebrate 50 years. The occasion honors half a century since the founding of the General Women's Union, an organization that has played a central role in expanding opportunities for women across the country. Leaders described the day as both a reflection on past achievements and a reminder of future goals. Over the past decades, Emirati women have become increasingly visible in government, business, and education. Many now hold high-ranking positions, from ministers to ambassadors, and women make up a large share of university graduates. This progress is often presented as part of the UAE's broader vision for social development and national identity, showing how women's participation strengthens society as a whole. Still, challenges remain. Some observers note that progress is not always equal across regions or industries, and that women face pressure to balance tradition with modern expectations. Nevertheless, Emirati Women's Day serves as a public commitment to greater equality, as well as a celebration of resilience and leadership. It is both a national milestone and an inspiration to younger generations looking ahead.